All right, this is the part that I had to order from my washing machine. And this is like a mixing valve. And these are solenoids that open and close the water valves to mix it with hot, cold, or this is the hot solenoid. This is the cold solenoid. This is the bleach solenoid, and that is the soap solenoid. So I had to order a special tool, and I'll tell you why. First of all, this is the Maytag commercial technology, my butt. And that is the model number. Anyway, up under here, this is where the valve is, behind here. And there's a plate I gotta take off back here. And there's some spring-loaded clips right up under here and here. And you have to get in there and push these spring-loaded clips in order to tilt this back and pull it forward. So I had to order a special tool, and I mentioned that Maytag wouldn't sell me the special tool, and I couldn't get any appliance repair people to sell me the special tool. So I found a person on eBay that was willing to sell me the tool. So let me get this box open, I'll show you. All right, let's get a look at this special tool. There we go. Stainless steel. It'll last a lifetime. Looks familiar though. I've seen this tool somewhere before. There's the special tool. It's only 100 bucks. Now I'll be able to work on Maytags. All right, first step, let's take the water lines off. And then I gotta undo all these little bolts here, here. I think there's one more here. And pull this back. All right. There's the thing. Now I gotta get my special $100 tool here. I don't know if I'll be able to film this or not. Let me get my wife here. You want to come film this, hon? Yeah, my wife is somewhere she can't hear me, so I got that side. Let me see about getting this side. I'll try to keep you focused. Ah, geez, I just locked that side back down. I can't film and do this, so basically that's what you do. You push this in here, and I'll turn this over so you can see the springs. All right, I got both sides up. So now what you do is you give this a good solid bump forward, both sides. And since I can't get a hold of my wife to come video, I'll have to shut the camera off. All right, that's what the springs look like. And what you're doing with the putty knife is you're pushing this in because it fits down in that hole. And this has a little lip on it, so it fits back in here. Okay. Let me get my screwdriver. Actually, I think I can use my very expensive special tool for this. Oh, no. God. All right, all of these got to come off. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and then you turn over And under here, there's one more underneath there that's going to come off. Let me do that. Okay. Those are hard to get off. And I got 2 screws. One I've taken out. One more here. And then that has to come out. Yeah, I gotta get my screwdriver. All right, there's a new one. Now, flip this back over. Get the back ends hooked. Alright, that's gonna take 2 hands to get it in there. Any cycle.
And here we go. Contact.
Oh, I didn't open these valves yet.
Okay, you want me to turn it off? I paused it.
Okay. Alright, go ahead.
Yeah, it has to do all of its
All it's thinking. Yep.
Yeah, it spins the tub around and then it stands on one leg and
Isn't that ridiculous?
yeah, it
A washing
checks
machine complicated something as simple as washing.
it's checking for underwear and socks that it wants to chew up.
Any minute now. Take your time. We got all day.
Yeah, it's gonna spin again. It's still sensing. When this light goes off, then it starts filling up. It's very sensitive.
Isn't it
We
something?
have to be really careful about
Yeah,
what
don't
we
talk
say.
too loud. Don't close any doors too hard.
That's right. You can't hurt its feelings. Oh, for the love of Pete. Get on with it.
Isn't that something?
Mm.
That's just amazing.
Well, there's nothing in there, so, you know, it's probably trying to figure that out. She's watching nothing.
Alright, I hear water. Good deal.
There's actually... What the heck is in there?
Her underwear. Not mine, yours. Okay.
Okay, I see full water.
All right, we're good. We're fixed. That little $38. And
Well, look, see that half of that
Yeah.
filter's broken off.
I'll put a link to this in the description below. And these fit. There's just a myriad of Maytag washers that these fit. So thanks for watching, y'all.